This guide will help you understand how to request payouts on Binance in a straightforward manner. Follow these steps to complete your payout request successfully. Step 1. Log into your Binance account. Visit the Binance website or open the app and log in using your credentials. Ensure that your account is verified and secure before proceeding. Step 2. Navigate to the wallet section. Once logged in, locate the wallet option on the main menu. Click on it to access your wallet, where you can view your balances and transaction history. Step 3. Select the withdraw option. In the wallet section, look for the withdraw button. Click on it to initiate the process of requesting a payout from your account. Step 4. Choose the cryptocurrency and amount. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw and enter the amount you want to request. Make sure to check the minimum withdrawal limits and fees associated with the transaction. Step 5. Enter withdrawal details and confirm. Provide the necessary withdrawal details, such as the destination wallet address. Double-check all information for accuracy, then confirm the withdrawal request. You may need to complete additional security verification steps. Once you have completed these steps, your payout request will be processed. Keep an eye on your email or notifications for updates regarding the status of your withdrawal.